Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of boho-inspired Halloween earrings. And for this pair, I'm going to be using a gold-plated skull, a 10mm glass bead, a 6mm bicone, and two 4mm glass fire polish rounds, one eye pen, one cone, whoops, and an orange 4mm bead. And I'm using a lever back ear wire, but you can use whatever type of ear wire that you prefer. So to start, I'm going to take my eye pen and I'm going to gently, just pull that just slightly out, and I'm going to slip my skull onto there. And then I'm just going to move it back to its original position. And now I'm ready to slide on my beads. I'm going to take the 10mm and slide that on, and then the rest of the beads. And then the rest of the beads. Slide up right through there and into that cone. So I have the cone on there, and then I'm going to take my orange bead and put it on there. And now I'm ready to fold over my eye pin and take my wire cutters and snip a section off, and take my round nose pliers and bring that up and around and over. There we go. Lay that down for a minute, and then I'm going to open up the loop at the bottom of the ear wire. And I want to make sure that I have my skull facing in the correct direction. So there we go. And close that up there. And there you have it, a pair of boho-style Halloween earrings.